On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you another liquid video. Now today, we're going to be making mango carrot juice. I think I have maybe one, I'm not sure, homemade mango carrot, one or two. If it's not one, it's two. But you can go check them out. I will try to leave the link in the description for you. Now, I think you have seen on a short I did, the last short, where I asked if anybody knows these mangoes. I've never seen them before, but I got it. I got both of them as a gift, and I really am excited to do a video with it. So this is it. Carla Clemence said they have it in Grenada. She's from Grenada, and she's familiar with it. She didn't say the name, but thanks for sharing, Carla. So we're going to use this today. I'll cut on it, let you see. We're going to make some mango carrot. So carrots, and I'm going to be using ginger. You can use lime, but what I want to put with it today to let you have a different taste of mango carrot in your life is a little molasses. So we're going to divert a little from the video, go into the post notification shout out, and today it also goes back to the great Sheppy Bradshaw. Sheppy, big up yourself, girl. All I can say, manners and respect. You're always here. You're a true supporter. Now, on the subject of the other person, what I did say, no, I didn't see anybody in the comment section that really got that, so I couldn't make the shout out. So the thing is, we're in a new cooking space, and I know most people have seen that. So we're gonna make the best of it. So that is out of the way. Post notification as the video starts each day. Thank you all so much. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. I hope you have watched the prior video of the beets and oats, and you will go try that one. And hello, please. You can put a little of the molasses in that too. People are loving it from the comments. So make we get on to another one. This one is gonna be a different look, different taste, different everything. So we got our mango carrot, our mango and our carrots. We have ginger, and I have gonna scrape my carrot and washed and scrape them, and I'm gonna be just cutting them off now. I'm not have to cut them in, and just cut them off. So look here, you know how you cut carrot and something already. We're gonna be blending the carrots first. That's the format. We're gonna be blending the carrot first, get the carrot juice out first, and then when we get that out, we're gonna cut into our mango and show you how we're gonna have the mango. I don't know the nature, I don't know the taste, but we are gonna do it. So look at me. We're gonna cut this carrot off, and we're gonna come back and proceed to put these carrots in the blender. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're having a lot of rain in Jamaica, and we welcome the little few days of cold weather and all of that. So I don't know how long it will last for, but I know the hot weather is coming, and we are in the second day of the hurricane season. So yeah, I'm gonna take all the precaution and all of them something. Hurricane season. Next clip. So here's the thing. We're gonna get our carrot juice out first. So we're gonna blend our carrots with ginger, and then we're gonna strain it to get the carrot juice. After we have gotten the carrot juice, we are gonna pour up our mango, dice it up. Maybe not all. We are gonna put it in, return the carrot juice to the blender, and then we're gonna put the mango in to give it that body. Mango carrot is a juice that has body. So we're not gonna long water it all. So here we go, because we are going to juice the carrot. We blend the pan juice, and we are going to start it. Okay, carrot juice is done. We're going to strain our carrot out. We're getting some nice rich juice again today. Different color. Different breed of color that we are get today. Let it straight run out a bit, and then we'll throw the rest. You know, if you get brighter carrots, these are not the brightest of colors, but them can go on. I'll catch you in the next clip. So right here we have got our carrot juice. Now we're going to go into our mango. I am very excited, and I know you are too, to see what is happening. Get them a close up. We're going to, I've already washed my mango. So, wow, it seems like the seed is nearer than I think. So, seems to have a very big, okay, it has a very big seed part there. So, what I'm going to do, maybe you want to ripe a little more, but does it matter? I'm just going to take this little piece out. Yeah. It's a very nice, what do you call that though? Fragrance though. Really, really nice fragrance. So I could take out some of this. Yep. I would like to try a little piece. It has the taste, it has a little sour taste, but it's nice. But it has a taste of a mango in Jamaica that we call turpentine. I don't know if anybody here in other countries know that mango, but as a little girl in the country growing up, we had a mango that we call turpentine. So it has that turpentine flavor. So there's a sour to it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And if you know, Carla from Grenada, she says they have it there. So we're going to get out some more of this. We can get some more of this because looking at it, I didn't know. It seems to have a very big part there on the inside. So we'll get out some more and come back. This is what we're using. We're not using all of it. We're using about 2 cups because it's a pretty huge mango as you saw. Yeah, I can't miss this. So you see what I've done? I got the carrot juice out, and then I am using the carrot juice to just put the mango together. I'm not going to blend the mango with another set of liquid, no. Okay? Remember our ginger is there, and all of that. Now we are on. We're going to continue to juice. Okay? Mango carrot, next patient. Same treatment, just as how we did it yesterday with the beet and carrot and oats. Look at this. Look at it. We're going to leave it to settle a bit, and we're going to remove all this little froth from the top. We're going to come back and do our final presentation. So there, this is it. Let me stir it a bit. So you notice the mango has froth and the carrot does too. So we had extra in this juice. But from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach, it is mango carrot homemade, just done for you. Please do enjoy. Now I want to show you something that will, I don't know if you have ever done it this way. I have me here. By the way, if you want to put sweetener, you could put honey. You could put some, normally people would put like citrus juice to go with that, but because I put enough ginger, I want to put the molasses to it to show you, or to share with you. But you could. But the tanginess of this mango, you don't really need any citrus. It has the sour taste already. It has a sour taste to it. So, as I say, it has the taste of turpentine. So, now, your honey, your sugar. But for me, I wouldn't use any because the carrot has its fair share of sweetness. So does the mango. But if you want to put your sweetener, you put where you want. Honey, all of them something nice. The molasses, but you know the molasses how it tastes. So you have to be careful. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to pour you a glass. Look at this. Homemade mango carrot, and you can use any mango family. So nobody got things, oh Miss Debbie, where can I get that mango? No, you don't have to get this mango. Use your mango of choice on it. Now the cutest of what's this thing? molasses, but I'm going to show you. You're going to pour yourself just as to this size glass. You just need this. You're going to mix it about, mix it around. Wow. I didn't put it in this for presentation purpose. I did not put the molasses in this because I know it would darken the thing. So I'm showing you. You put it in your glass. This is what it looks like with your little molasses. And let me tell you, this will just settle you up. You know, molasses, it strengthens, it's good for your nerves. Yeah, try it this way. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. More to come, and as you can see, we are in a different location with the cooking. So let me tell you, continue watching Debbie from Dongayard. Bless, no stress.